Welcome to Enclave at Fieldstone Lakes, the newest addition to this popular Elyria community in the Midview School District. This is the perfect opportunity to settle into low-maintenance living in this all-ranch community featuring low taxes and easy access to North Ridgeville favorites. Enjoy everything you need on one convenient level with modern open-concept floor plans that bring the kitchen, dining, and living spaces together. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet night at home, these layouts feel open and welcoming. Finally, there's room for everyone and everything. Explore floor plans with up to 4 bedrooms, flex rooms, full basements with options to finish, and more. With so many choices, you'll have no problem creating your dream home office, hobby room, or guest space. The owner's suite is thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind, featuring a walk-in closet and the laundry room just steps away. Simplify life with a private ensuite bathroom featuring double vanities, a walk-in shower, and the option for a relaxing seated shower. When you step outside your home, you'll be welcomed by peaceful pond views, friendly neighbors, and a quiet atmosphere that feels like home. Enjoy true low-maintenance living with lawn care and snow removal provided, along with full sod yards and the ability to add fencing for backyard privacy. Enjoy low Elyria taxes and the highly rated Midview schools, while benefiting from easy access to North Ridgeville favorites and popular commuter routes. Whether you need to restock your pantry or closet, nearby shopping will have you covered with favorites like Aldi, Super Walmart, and all the shops at Great Northern Mall. Keep your weekends full. Enjoy dinner at Boundary Kitchen and Bar, grab a coffee from Erie Island Coffee Co., or get active at Cascade Park and the local golf course. Want to know how you can make the dream of living at Enclave at Fieldstone Lakes a reality? Take action today by clicking the orange button for more information. Your future self will thank you.